guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M4. Make sure to like and subscribe so that because if we hit 5,000 subscribers, my dad will buy me the new iPhone 16.
Are you ready? Let's unbox it. Now we're gonna open it.
I'm so excited. I haven't had one of these.
The color Space Black.
We got the 256 gigabytes iPad Pro 13-inch M4 Wi-Fi. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow, look how satisfying that was.
My favorite part. It's so pretty.
Now we're gonna show you what it comes with.
So there's the charging cube.
And then there is the black cord.
I've never actually seen a black cord. That's so cool. And then here we have the manual, I think. Yeah, the manual. And how to set everything up. Did you guys know they stopped giving Apple stickers? That's actually really sad, but it's okay.
You guys ready for this moment?
I love the color. I think this was the best one. Guys, this camera is so cool. Camera and the rest of the iPad is the same color, and it doesn't just stick out to you like all the other iPads because they were like filled in black and stuff.
And guys, look how thin and light it is. It's like as light as paper.
I don't know how it's supposed to hold an Apple Pen right here. It's like twice the size. The buttons are right here in the corner. We have the 2 volume buttons right here, and then the power button right on top of the camera.
Let's turn it on.
I heard a lot of people say this takes forever. Now we're gonna set it up. We speak English, so we're in the United States. Let's just leave it. Okay, we need our iPhone. So
Now we're connecting our iPhone.
setup for me. Okay. It says it may take a few minutes to activate it, so.
So we're done setting up our iPad. Let's go explore it. Wow.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
It looks just like an iPhone, but giant.
Exactly. It comes with all the same apps as the iPhone. It has the clock, weather, Find My iPhone, iTunes, iMovie, Clips, and it has this app library. And it has pages. It looks so nice.
I definitely would recommend this. You guys want to see our YouTube channel? If our channel gets 1,000 new subscribers, we're gonna do a video on unboxing an iPhone 16 Pro Max. So please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.
Do you guys want to see what we upgraded from? Dun, 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 dun. Just kidding. This is just one of the oldest iPads we have.
Do you want to see the difference? First of all, in size, the new one is much bigger, and the camera upgraded a lot.